Hello, this is Joseph McGill. I'm the History and Culture Coordinator here at Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. I've been working here since 2011. I was interested in this place because they were telling the stories of the enslaved and the From Slavery to Freedom or cabin tour that they've been doing here. We've been doing here since 2009, and now I'm immersed in that. I give that tour, From Slavery to Freedom or cabin tour. Well, here at Magnolia Plantation and Gardens, right behind me you see the main house, but we tell the stories of the enslaved in there also. You know, that we take you to that uncomfortable place. The subject matter of slavery and the legacy that is left on this nation is an uncomfortable subject, but it's a subject matter that we have to engage in. We have to disseminate that story, and our audience should be capable of receiving what we have to tell them. Because if they go in this house from this point forward, that story will be a part of what we tell here. I know that folks go into these nice, beautiful homes to learn about the grandeur of it all, the nice, beautiful place settings, the vaulted ceilings, the hardwood floors. But there's more to the story than that. When you see that nice, beautiful place setting, I want you to think about who ate off that place setting, and I want you to also think about the people who placed the food on that place setting. You know, that's telling that whole story. So we've got those elements of those things inside that space, the nice, beautiful furnishings, but we also have the stories of the enslaved people who made this place function in the manner that it did, who helped the Draytons achieve the life that they lived. Of course, in a manner of being enslaved, but they were here, they were a part of this, and their stories should be told, and we do it here at Magnolia Plantation and Gardens. So please come on out and visit us and come take part in it all. Come hear the whole story and this complete narrative that we give you here at Magnolia Plantation and Gardens.